So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC biology exam revision series, we have here just this one question to answer on the topic basic ecological concepts. So guys, this video will be all about decomposers. So let's quickly go right into this question. We just have one question here to answer, and the question says, which of the following organism will not bring about decomposition? A. Spirogyra, B. Earthworm, C. Bacterium, D. Mold. So guys, obviously the answer to this question is Spirogyra. That's because of the fact that all the other organisms listed here are decomposers apart from the Spirogyra. So decomposition is a process where organic substances are broken down into simpler forms, and guys, this is usually done with the help of any of these organisms, the bacteria or the fungi such as the mold, or even invertebrates as the earthworm. But guys, Spirogyra is not a decomposer and will not take part in this process. So Spirogyra is only a green algae and cannot be involved in the process of decomposition. So that's it for that question, and this is where we'll end the video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, help us grow this channel by sharing this video with your friends. So guys, we also want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates about WAEC examination. We have premium information about the WAEC examination for you, so you can join this channel by hitting the join button below and you'll be a member of this community. Thank you and see you on the next one.